Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's 21st of December and as you guys already know, my bike has done more than 15,000 kilometers and it is almost time to replace the chain and the sprocket. So the entire set needs to be replaced. But the issue that I'm facing with the chain sprocket, that I'm going to demonstrate in this video, and I'm also going to reveal the total cost of the chain sprocket set on the RS457. You will be shocked to know those details. But first let's see what's the issue with the chain in this motorcycle. So my motorcycle has done 15,386 kilometers. It is exactly 8.5 months old, and today only I have cleaned it. I lubricated the chain. While I was lubricating the chain, I noticed something. That's why I decided to make this video. So if you see the chain at this position, it might look like it is tight right now, but I'll tell you where the issue is. As you can see, the slack is very less over here, but when I rotate the tire, okay, can you see it becomes tight over here, and when I rotate it back, it becomes super loose over here. So at one place it is loose, at other place, at this position, it becomes tight again, which means that there is uneven wear on the sprocket. It might be on the rear sprocket or it might be on the front sprocket. So few of the teeth have got bent a little bit, because of which few at some place the chain is becoming tight, at some place it is becoming loose. So I need to replace the entire chain sprocket system of this motorcycle. One more thing I have noticed is this chain sprocket set has 43 teeth on the rear, 15 on the front, and total chain links are 106. And also this particular chain, which is the stock chain on this bike, it's from the Roll-On company. It's a excellent chain and lubrication service provider across various motorcycles including super bikes. That company is making the chain sprocket of this bike, and there is a Roll-On logo on every link of this motorcycle. If you can see, this particular R logo is there, right? It's there on every link. So that defines that this chain sprocket system is from a reputed company. And I also tried to check various other sources, like the Roll-On website itself. They don't sell this as an OEM part, but they sell for other motorcycles like the KTM's, Kawasaki's and the Hondas. They sell it for all those bikes. I'm not sure why they are not selling this particular chain sprocket on their website. So as of now, we will have to purchase this from the showroom only. There is no option for that. And I am also displaying the total cost of the front sprocket, rear sprocket and the chain. So total it costs 6,700 rupees in order to change the entire set, including chain, front sprocket and the rear sprocket. Apart from that, whenever your chain sprocket is getting changed, you will have to check the bush rubber which is there inside the rear wheel hub. If that needs replacement, you will need to replace that as also. And I don't know the condition of the rubber as of now, and I don't even know the price of that rubber. It should be somewhere around 500 to 800 rupees for this motorcycle. Usually in KTM Duke 390 it used to cost somewhere around 200 or 150 rupees, but this being a premium brand, I'm sure they will charge a lot of money. But this is the part price that I'm talking. I have seen the original part, which is from Piaggio Vehicles Private Limited. That particular part costs 6,700 rupees for the entire set. Now when I compare this with the KTM Duke 390, of course it is way much costlier. On the KTM Duke 390, the entire set costed 3,000 rupees. I have replaced it on my previous motorcycle multiple times. This costs more than double. That is expected, but if you compare it with the rivals like the Ninja 300, 400, all those bikes, even those bikes cost the same. I am aware of the Ninja 300's chain sprocket cost. It costs 7,000 rupees because one of my friend has recently changed the chain sprocket on his bike, so I know the price. So considering that, I don't consider the chain sprocket of this motorcycle on a higher side. It is it is an expected price. If you are thinking this is higher amount, then you need to check out the other sub 600cc motorcycles like the Ninja 650 or the CBR 650. On those motorcycles, the chain sprocket system will cost you around 18 to 20,000 rupees. This is way lesser than that. So I am going to replace the chain sprocket very soon. whenever I do that, I will make a dedicated video. As of now, I am not going to replace it because it is not available in the showroom first of all, and I am not able to find it anywhere outside as well. So once it is available in the showroom, I will go ahead and purchase it from there. I'm not sure if it is available as of now or not. I inquired it 2 weeks ago. That time it was not available. As of now, it might be available. If it is available, I will go ahead and get it replaced. So yeah, that's the update about the chain sprocket on the RS457. Now coming to the life cycle of this chain sprocket, 15,000 kilometers is a good amount of kilometer that the stock chain has clocked, because my KTM Duke 390's chain sprocket also used to last for 16,000, 15 to 16,000 kilometers only. So this is expected wear and tear. I will have to replace it every 15,000 kilometers. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I wanted to explain everything about the chain sprocket after 15,000 kilometers. And yeah, it's time to close this video. And if you're liking the content that I'm making, don't forget to give the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel because it is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.